Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A monochrome masterpiece in nature's embrace. The Black House stands as a defiant assertion of modern architecture against the pristine backdrop of a snow-capped mountain. The house is a minimalist masterpiece, where form follows function with uncompromising purity. Central to the design is the interplay of light and shadow. The black facade, a perfect absorber of light, creates a sense of depth and mystery. Yet, it is the expansive glass doors that truly define the house's character. They frame the breathtaking vista of the snowy mountain, allowing the natural world to become an integral part of the interior experience. The transition from indoors to outdoors is seamless, blurring the boundaries between architecture and nature. In front of the house, a stone path meanders through patches of lawn, creating a dynamic and inviting entrance. The lawn, a symbol of life and growth, softens the austere geometry of the architecture. This interplay of materials and forms creates a harmonious balance between the man-made and the natural. The snowy mountain, a constant presence in the background, is a powerful counterpoint to the house. Its pristine white surface is a stark contrast to the black facade, creating a visual tension that is both dramatic and alluring. The mountain, a symbol of enduring strength and beauty, inspires a sense of awe and wonder. The design of this black house is a bold statement about the relationship between architecture and nature. It is a house that celebrates the power of simplicity, where every element has a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. The combination of black, glass, stone, and snow creates a visual symphony that is both striking and serene. This is a home that is not merely a shelter, but a work of art that invites contemplation and inspires the soul. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.